I have a 3-pound chicken here, and the size of the chicken really doesn't matter. The poultry that you use doesn't really matter, because if you go back to my CaribbeanPot.com website, you'll see I spatchcocked a turkey a few years ago, and I did a jerk turkey in the oven. But this is the little beast that I have here, and chicken breast, leg, thigh, wings tucked in. We're just going to flip it over, and what we need to do is, this is the backbone here that runs all the way down the chicken. What we need to do to be able to spatchcock it, it means removing that bone. So there's going to be a cut on this side and a cut on this side, on both sides of that backbone. We're going to remove that. You can toss it into the rubbish, or some of you like using it for making stock and stuff like that. Perfect. Now, when I usually do this, I'm very handy with my knife. I can just cut all the way down and all the way down and remove it, but I'm going to show you an easier method. We're just going to spin it around. So this is the sort of the top of the chicken here, and using kitchen shears. Somebody was using it to wrap present. That's a piece of scotch tape on there, but small thing. All you're going to do is go down in here, and you're going to cut along the bones, along the backbone. So we're going to open up the chicken like that, and this is the bone here that I'm talking about. So now we need to do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going up. This is the backbone here. That's going to go into the rubbish. I'm not making stock at any point. And I like to trim off the sort of extra fat there. You don't need that in your life. There's another piece over here. Trim that off. And what we need to do now is flip the entire bird over. And what we're going to do is, using the heel of your hand here, just going to press. And that's going to sort of break the bone over here. If it doesn't happen, this sort of bone that you're seeing here, you would just hit that, just a little cut like that, just to open it up. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you spatchcock a chicken. It'll rest nice and flat. And with the wings, if you wanted, you can trim off the wing tips. But what I like doing is tucking it under the bird like so, under the chicken like so. And it helps keep it nice and flat. So there you go, how to spatchcock a chicken. Couple of simple steps. If you wanted, you can save the backbone here, like I said, for making stock. The extra fat into the rubbish. Irie? Irie.